This is my mom who introduced me to this investing.
Introduce? More like I signed you up.
Before I was introduced to the masterclass, I actually started looking into stocks and things like that. But I didn't know like the terms of what is PE, what is PB, how to buy and sell. So after I attend Cayden's masterclass, I thought that it is a good class that will teach me everything else. So my short term will be, of course, additional passive income. Then my long term, of course, will be like financially free and things like that. So yeah.
Well, I am in the stage whereby I was thinking of retiring comfortably and doing something which still yields an income, but yet not selling my time, but letting my money work for me. So that's why I came to his class.
Previously, when I choose stock, it's based on what I hear from other people and what my speculation is. But after through the course, right, Cayden actually taught like how to really see a company. How is this company? Is it really a good one or a bad one, or is it really gonna make you money?
And when you want to look into a share, you cannot just look at it and say, I need to make money. But first, I must understand the company. Then I ask myself, can I make money? Instead of the other way around. And it gives me a little bit more confidence in investing.
We will recommend VIA obviously because out of all the like stocks videos I found, right, actually Cayden's explanation is one of the very simpler and easy to understand.
VIA is a highly recommended course because it's easily understand. Cayden is very down to earth. The methods are tested and very simple, and it's very logical. So he actually directed us to look at the more important parts of investment rather than anything else.